The new Haval Big Dog features a new rectangular grille with black block elements on the inside, giving it a significantly more muscular appearance. The original logo has been replaced with a smaller Haval letter logo. The round LED headlights on both sides remain, and the connecting design remains unchanged. The lower bumper has a slightly off-road inspired look, while the silver skid plate gives it a more robust appearance. The sides of the car retain the familiar square box shape, with prominent front and rear waistlines and thick, smoked black fenders, giving the car a powerful appearance. However, the new model features sportier elements such as smoked black luggage racks and window trim, giving it a more energetic appearance. The most significant change at the tail is the logo in the center. The original styling has been replaced with GWM letters, and the semicircular taillights remain unchanged. The smoked black rear frame and silver skid plate below it complement the front face well, creating a unified overall style. The interior is significantly changed, almost like brand new. The most striking feature is the new floating central control display, expected to be equipped with the Coffee OS 3.0 smart cockpit. The steering wheel has also been redesigned to a D-shaped dual-spoke design with multifunction buttons. The shift mode has been changed to an electronic handheld gear lever. The original gear knob position on the auxiliary instrument panel has now been converted into a storage compartment that should be quite useful for storing mobile phones. Next to it are the electronic parking brake and automatic parking buttons, and to the right are two cup holders. Its practicality is beyond words. In terms of power, the 1.5T and 2.0T engines will continue to be available. The 1.5T engine produces 135 kilowatts of maximum power and 275 Newton-meters of torque, mated to a 7-speed wet dual-clutch transmission. The 2.0T engine produces 175 kilowatts of maximum power and 385 Newton-meters of torque, mated to a 9-speed wet dual-clutch transmission, and also features an all-wheel drive system and two locking systems similar to the current model. The new vehicle will also feature numerous optional components such as a sunroof, luggage rack, side window moldings, and lower skid plate moldings for the front and rear bumpers. Those who enjoy customization may want to consider this option in more detail.